Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind us, we got all the YouTubers. We got Nostalgic, well, we got even Ginger Ninja there, Yusuf, and also Tristan, and they're all out here filming today as usual. We thought we would be early. We thought, okay, leave early, we're gonna be the first ones here. No, we weren't. Yusuf and Nostalgic was already here, and we got a couple of guys down there, some Skarokas and stuff, waiting. Got a nice Jag there at the back, and oh, vlog interception. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, fuck it. I thought we were gonna be here early and everyone's arrived before us.
Come do a skit, man.
I just did one when we got you. Now it's full again.
But you can't film yourself doing a skit. That is why I'm here to provide you a service. I shall film and you shall skid. Let's do it.
That gets out the way, then we can do some skids here.
That lady.
Yeah.
How big do you
this thing's turn circle is so wide. It's not. It's so wide. It's a wide girth. Yeah, it's got a girth. But also a one wheel peel, but it's not the.
I do the same.
But this thing, it's got length and girth.
Oh, we bragging?
And it's a little veiny as well. It's a little package. It's got the full package.
Wide, you say? Wide.
Listen here, she gets the job done, okay?
Listen, you gotta put like.
Looks wet to me or something.
It's wet as well. It's ready to go.
Check it. This thing comes.
I made it wet this morning.
Look here, and it's ripped just the way she likes it.
I see us.
It's ripped.
I see us.
Oh.
And the guy sitting inside the stands standard also. What? No.
What did he just say?
This rock looks so weird. Why does it look so weird? They're like a small rubber.
But yeah, mense are starting to roll up now. We've got a nice bunch of cars coming in. Got some nice cars coming in here. Got a nice Focus there in the back. It looks like it's going to be a legit day. It doesn't look too bad. It's opening up very nicely. I hope it doesn't rain. And yeah, I think we're gonna have some fun here today. I really think so. I think they're gonna start the fun here in the parking lot, and they're gonna take it right to on the run. The destination, or the end destination, is still to be announced. So we're gonna wait. They'll obviously hold a meeting here and wait and say, look, this is where we're going, this will be the course and whatever. So we don't actually know yet where we're going, but we'll find out soon enough.
The number plate though.
rolling out. Yeah, it's crazy. They've just put it that way. I'm trying to get to a nice vantage point. The fucking popo is out here as well, climbing on the side of the road, waiting for someone to fuck up. But yeah, it is a mad turnout. Sorry about my elf ears for this fucking masks. It's a mad turnout. Really crazy turnout. I think I'm gonna go stand by the edge of the robot and go see what's going on there. That guy didn't want to play along. Bye-bye now. Yeah, let's get it through again. Guys, you want some fire pics of today's event, disturbing the peace? Give this man a follow on IG, on Instagram at Ginger Ninja Photography. We're just going to show you a couple of photos here quickly. Look at this. Somebody look at this. God damn. Looks like a desktop, my bro. So give him a follow, don't be shy, and let's bump his numbers up a bit. Get that wallpapers off his Instagram, my bro. Got some nice wallpapers off today. So that M4, damn. Oh guys, what a day, or what a morning at least. What are you doing? Nothing. What a morning. Yo, what a turnout. You can see still some cars in the back there. But yo, that was lekker. We haven't had a day like this in a long time. We both needed this. The lockdown was a bit cuck, and thank God it's finished now. So we can, well, not yet, but at least we can do events now again. So yeah, so at least today was a success at least, and there wasn't too much popo activity, but yeah, Reaper's still standing here. We're gonna go to the shops quick, grab everything, then we're gonna go home and work on the golfy.
Golf again.
We're gonna go work on the golf again.
God,
yes,
God doesn't want to.
I love working on the golf. No, we're just gonna do the steering rack today, and then brakes.
And that golf has no brakes.
The golf has no brakes. But yeah, we're just gonna go and do some shopping quickly and climb in the car and get home so we can start with that golfy. But yo, look at my fucking ears, bro. Look like fucking dwarf ears. Check this. Look at this mask. Damn. Okay, but anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that we're gonna get another event soon. I know there's one next week on the 8th, and yeah, hopefully the car's done and we can take yours on the 8th.
And I'm going for my license the 18th.
On the 18th, okay, cool. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a huge thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment down below, comment what your favorite car of the day was. I mean, we had some awesome cars out here today.
Follow me.
Yeah, and don't forget to follow this man on Instagram, Ginger Ninja Photography. Like his pictures, and you can get some nice wallpapers off his Instagram. It's got some nice pics of everyone's cars today. So yeah, and like I said, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and go follow my friends or the other YouTubers of today.
My friends.
My friends.
No, it's their family.
Oh, their family. I forgot their family. Anyway, no, it's like this. Their family. Family, get the Coronas. Drink the Coronas. Anyway, yeah, I tried Fast 9 last night. It was good. It was okay. But anyway, guys, that's it for today, and that's it for us. And this is Riding the Reaper. Peace out.